It is Wednesday, April the 8th. We have 2 parts for your workout today. We're starting off today with 4 rounds for quality. We'll be doing 4 separate movements. So we're starting off with 20 reps of a hollow rock, 20 reps of an arch rock, 20 reps of a Russian twist, and 20 reps of a stiff-legged deadlift. The Russian twist and the stiff-legged deadlift should be weighted exercises, but these are higher repetition movements, so we don't want to overload those. You can use probably the same implement for both of those movements. Moving on for part B, we have 5 rounds for time. We will be performing 15 burpees, 12 deadlifts, 9 hang power cleans, and 6 push jerks. Again, of all of those movements, 5 rounds for time. The deadlift, hang power clean, and push jerk can use the same object in terms of weight. So if you have a pair of dumbbells, a barbell, a single kettlebell, you can perform all of those movements using the same thing. Good luck. Tell us how you did. We'd love to hear about it.